Is your computer feeling sluggish, or are you just itching to give it a memory boost? Before we dive in, safety first, power down your computer completely and unplug it from the wall. This prevents any electrical damage to you or your components. Next, ground yourself by touching the metal case of your computer. This discharges any static electricity that could harm the sensitive RAM modules. Locate the RAM slots on your motherboard. You'll see small clips at either end of each RAM stick. Gently push these clips outward away from the RAM module. You should hear a click as they release. With the clips released, carefully grasp the RAM stick by its edges. Gently pull it straight up and out of the slot. Avoid touching the gold connectors on the bottom. Repeat the process for any other RAM sticks you want to remove. Once removed, store your RAM sticks in an anti-static bag to protect them from damage. And that's it. You've successfully removed RAM from your PC. Now you're ready to upgrade, replace, or troubleshoot. Don't forget to subscribe for more PC tips and hardware upgrades.